What's up guys, Carolyn Castillo with Absolute Top Dollar. Investors, this property is just for you. Come inside and take a look. Welcome to your next investment property. So right now we are standing in a townhome located in Orange Park. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,500 square feet townhome, okay? Downstairs you actually have a full bedroom, full bathroom, kitchen, and a beautiful backyard. So I'm gonna take you on a tour of this property. Just some notes for you is this property is gonna be listed on the market for $100,000, okay? Properties in this neighborhood sell for about $200 to $175, so it's a great opportunity to buy it, fix it up, sell it, or maybe you want to rent it. Rentals are going for about $1,500. So let me go ahead and take a little tour of the home. As you see here, as first as you walk in, you are going to see the kitchen. Now I will tell you, the kitchen is completely original, okay? There's been 0 updates, but you know what? It's actually in good condition. The cabinets are in good condition, the countertops are in good condition. You'll definitely have to change out the appliances because you do not want to open that refrigerator, okay? You do have a laundry room here with a full-size washer and dryer that do seem to be working well. Now in this property, there is some issues with the plumbing. The plumbing that's in this property is no longer accepted by insurance companies, so whoever purchases this home will have to probably take out the plumbing that's currently here, unless you have an insurance company that'll take it as is, and I know sometimes that exists. So come over here, we're on a really big spacious living room area here, but like I said, on the first floor, it does have a bathroom here. Now it is totally original, so you are gonna have, but again, the original cabinets are in good condition. There seems to have been some type of leak or something going on here, but I think with a good cleaning and maybe some new flooring, you honestly would be good to go. Now you also have another bedroom here. In this bedroom, it's just a coat of paint and some new flooring. You're honestly good to go. There are some cracks in the windows, so you will go ahead and see that, and there's bars on all the windows, okay? So as you guys know, that insurance companies don't like that as well. So you would have to remove those bars if you're looking to get a full coverage insurance policy. One of the good things about this is that it does have an updated electrical panel. So the electrical panel is not blacklisted or anything like that. So let's go ahead and take a look in the backyard. Again, this property is not bad. It's just original, and it really just needs a couple TLCs. This is a wood siding property, okay? So if you notice here, everything is wood siding. The owner did replace this, so that's the good news, is that the wood siding is all very good. And look at this backyard. It's very nice, perfect. It's the winter time, so you may need, to put down some new sod, but perfect size backyard. Screen is perfect condition. So it's a really nice, it's a townhome, but it has the feel of a house, okay? Now, as I mentioned to you before, these rent for about $1,500 a month, maybe more. If you renovate it, maybe more. And this is gonna be kind of like a utility room and the water heater in here. But again, very big space, so you have plenty of space to put, anything that you'd like. You probably would be using this as a rental, or honestly, if you want to flip it, it's a really, really nice property to put together. So let's go ahead and take a look upstairs. So when you get upstairs, you're gonna have 2 immediate rooms. Again, very good size rooms. They do have the bars on the window. There are a couple areas that you're gonna wanna notate. This does have an original roof. So when you purchase this property, you're gonna have to do the roof, maybe the plumbing, according to your insurance carrier, if you're gonna go ahead and update that. You are gonna see in this bathroom, there were some plumbing repairs that were done, something here with the flooring, but it is completely original, the bathroom, but in good condition, okay? So if you wanna renovate the bathroom, that's on you. It could honestly rent just like this. And then you've got a really vast, big walk-in closet here, okay? So the choice is yours. We are actually putting this one on the market about $100,000 lower than what the fair market value is. So if you want to buy it, you want to rent it, or you want to flip it and you want to sell it, the choice is yours. So this is going to be on Lockbox immediately. So if you want to set up a private showing, all the information's below, and I hope to see you on the next one.